Hello, dear Family First families. Welcome to May 26th,
2026 on the Family Life Skills Calendar.
Today's activity is summer safety tips, learning water and sun safety rules to ensure your family enjoys the sunny season while staying safe and healthy. Step 1. Practice water safety. Always swim with supervision, wear life jackets when needed, and avoid rough play near water. These habits make swimming and boating safer for everyone. Step 2. Protect against the sun. Apply sunscreen before heading out and reapply every 2 hours. Wear hats, sunglasses, and lightweight clothing, and stay hydrated throughout the day to keep cool and safe. Step 3. Role-play safety scenarios. Encourage kids to lead by acting out scenarios like reminding everyone to wear sunscreen or follow water safety rules. This makes learning fun and memorable. Step 4. Create a family safety checklist. Work together to list essential safety tips for outdoor activities. Let kids decorate the checklist and keep it handy for your next summer adventure. Step 5. Reflect and plan. Talk about why these safety tips are important. Celebrate how working together keeps everyone safe while enjoying sunny days to the fullest. Practicing summer safety promotes health awareness, builds responsibility, encourages teamwork, and strengthens family bonds. Celebrate summer safety tips day by planning for fun and safe adventures. Together, you'll create sunny memories with confidence and peace of mind. Thanks for joining us. See you tomorrow for another inspiring activity from the Family Life Skills Calendar. Cherish today, celebrate tomorrow. Signing off from the Family First team, thank you and all the best.